when your job demands precision. Your equipment needs to be a step ahead. And here at ISP Heat Industrial Specialty Products, we provide the highest quality pre- and post-weld heat treatment equipment. Located in Pasadena, Texas, we are an industry leader with a deep understanding of what it takes to get the job done right. With extensive global experience and expertise, our team of seasoned sales professionals is ready to help you find the perfect solution. We're directly connected to our manufacturers, ensuring we deliver innovative and versatile products designed with you, the operator, in mind. From the powerful Miller preheat to our advanced transformer units and versatile ceramic pads, we offer a full range of on-site heat treatment equipment. Experience the difference that product excellence and trusted results can make. Contact us today to transform your industrial landscape. ISP Heat Industrial Specialty Products, LLC. Phone number 832-81-87968. Also, visit our website, www.ispheat.com.